Every morning at exactly 5 a.m., while the village still slept, an old man named Eliab walked to the river with 2 empty clay pots. The path was long, rocky, and steep. Most people wondered why he bothered after all. The river was far, and there were younger, stronger men who could fetch water faster. But Eliab went every single morning. Rain or sun, cold or heat, tired or energized. He never missed a day. One morning, a young boy named Jonah followed him and asked, "Why do you go every day? Wouldn't it be easier to carry more water once a week?" Eliab smiled but didn't answer. Years passed. The boy grew up and left the village. Eliab grew older, slower, and bent with age. People whispered that the old man was wasting his strength on a useless habit. Then, one year, a terrible drought came. The river shrank. Wells dried up. Crops failed. Panic spread. But something strange happened. Along the path Eliab had walked for decades, green plants still grew. Small trees, herbs, and flowers survived while everything else turned brown. Cracks in his old clay pots had let drops of water fall every morning, feeding the soil little by little. Eliab had unknowingly created a lifeline. The villagers followed that green path to find moisture, shade, and hope. It saved their animals. It helped them replant. It helped them survive. Before Eliab passed away, Jonah, now a grown man, knelt beside him and said, "I understand now. You weren't just carrying water." Eliab whispered, "No, I was building something one drop at a time. Here's the lesson. Consistency is not loud. It doesn't look impressive every day. It doesn't bring instant results. But small actions done faithfully create paths where none existed, strength where weakness once lived, and success where doubt once stood. You don't need to do everything today. You only need to show up again tomorrow. One drop, one step, one day. That's how lives are changed." This is Patrick the Motivator. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you.